I like this. Call him right now. Who got the bundles? Who got the bundles? Listen. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by XrsBeauty. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now we will be doing this install together, so if you want to see how I got this unit from A to Slay, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about the unit straight off the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so here we are again doing another one together. So like I said, this unit comes to us from XrsBeauty. All the specs of my unit are right here on the screen. The main focus of this video is the new single knots on this wig. Now this is my first time trying a wig with single knots and I'm already here for it, okay? This wig looks good. Do you see the knots on this joint? I don't. Y'all know they specify that clean hairline and I'm here for it, okay? Now if you don't know the difference between double knots and single knots, I'm gonna go ahead and show you, okay? You know I got you, okay? So this is what that looks like right here. Y'all see how those double knots are peeking on through, okay? Most wigs come with the double knots, but XrsBeauty has come through with the single knots to give you more of a seamless install, and I am here for it. As you all know, lace is not skin. So regardless of how thin that lace is, you may still see it, but when you have a single knot wig, it's gonna make it a little bit harder, okay? I'll go ahead and cut this lace off the back first because I didn't do it on my last install and I was out here looking crazy. I'm going to attempt to rock this unit glueless, so I need to secure my elastic band in this joint. Y'all know I don't do the ball cap method. That's not something that I do, so I try to make it as seamless as possible on my dome, just like this, okay? Just like this. She a little tight, but that's good. We want tight, okay? We want tight, we want secure. Oh, that's too far on my forehead. No wonder she wasn't going in the back. I was like, dang, this too small. Oh yeah, I'm gonna rock this unit glueless. I'm gonna do it. It was all a lie. Guys, it was all a lie. She lied. This looks pretty daggone good. Don't worry about my eye patches. I'm getting my eyes together, okay? So excuse me. Y'all know I got them linked in my Amazon store, so don't even worry about it. I got you. But XrsBeauty got me with this wig. You hear me? Do y'all see the hairline and the knots on this wig? Like, this is looking good. Is it too dark in here? I hope it's not. Did it help a little bit? It's a little bit brighter back there. I hope so. I am gonna take these off my face. Let's rub this in. The lace is looking a little greenish. I don't know if that's just me or my camera or my lighting. Maybe it's my lighting, I don't know. But I am going to tint it across the front with my pressed powder. I know when I use my 360 powder, it matches on my lighting here, but when I go outside, it's a little dark. So I'm gonna use my 330 powder to make sure it matches. So I'm just gonna put that powder around my hairline like this. Hold up. Let me put my wig grip on. My lace is not fitting down around my ears the way I want to, so I'm just gonna pull some of my hair out right here and I will gel that back when it's time. I'm not sure what type of lace this is. It's not really giving off the normal HC lace that I have tried from them, but we are still going to work this lace out for us, okay? So again, this is how that's looking with the cornrows. Super cute, but I think I'm gonna take these out and then we may put them back in. I don't know yet, we'll decide. You wanna do like a little braid out? That's cute. Definitely have to make sure I move this forward on my hairline because I don't wanna be giving myself a bigger forehead than what I already got. I don't want that. Do I want to spray this down or don't I? Okay, so this is how that hair is looking outside of the braids. So I think I'm gonna do a butterfly braid here in the front. Need to make sure my hairline is straight. Gonna use some of my Daily Edge lace mousse. I think I want some tendrils right here in the front. So let's do that. So now we are going to braid this hair. Hopefully it comes out like I want it. If not, then oh well. Now for the butterfly, I'm just gonna pull some of the hair apart. I think I want to spray this unit down now. So I'm gonna use my even spray as usual, okay? I'm just gonna spray this joint down. Now let's put the rest of the hair in the ponytail. Okay, I'm just gonna straighten out the ponytail now. Okay, so let me go ahead and do my makeup, and then we're gonna come back and finish this look. Okay, so makeup is done. I don't know if I like the butterfly braid now that I have it in my hair. We gonna see, okay? So first let's take this off so we can see how much we gotta blend our lace down. Ow. Okay, so not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna take my foundation brush, okay, like that. Not too bad. Okay, so let me put on my glasses so I can see what's happening. So I need to brush some of this hair back. Brush some of the hair back, like so. Hold on, where's my two pieces? Uh-oh, did I put them in the, I put them in the daggone bow. Good grief. Here we go. Here we go. I do need to straighten these out. Okay, let me get my wax stick. Okay, wax stick right here on the side. Right here on the side. I'm definitely gonna have to make sure this is concealed because right now it's a little ashy. Straighten these out, straighten these out, straighten these out, straighten these out. Got a lot of flyaways on here, so I can put some wax on it. Need to get this side situated. So, in order to do that, I'm gonna color in some of my lace with my black eyeliner pencil. Not too much. Do a little bit of my contour around my hairline with my brush in my face. So I'm patting real hard. So I don't want to put no more contour on my hairline. I just want to do what's left in my brush. Jam this joint in my hairline. Don't judge me, okay? Again, those are my edges right there. I just push them behind. Because the hair was braided, it definitely put some volume up here in my ponytail, so I like that. Make sure the hair is where it needs to be. And put a little bit of spray right here just to make sure it's down like I need her. Finish up the makeup, oh yeah. Get a little Jay-Z. Can't find my daggone not eraser. I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna use my pressed powder instead. Okay, so I think we are done. Y'all, like I said, the main takeaway for this wig is the single knots, and they did it justice, okay? They did this unit justice. It looks really good. Up close, y'all can see that it is very seamless. Now, the lace may be a little dark on my skin tone, but the single knots is what's in. So I still like this joint, okay? It looks good. Inches on me, y'all, inches on me. I could definitely add some layers in this joint if I wanted to be a little bit, you know, fuller. But I like the half up, half down ponytail. I'm a rocket, and listen, this is a look, okay? This is a look. I think it came out really cute. What y'all think? I like this. I like this. Now, as always, XrsBeauty comes for the pockets, okay? So if you're not ready to spend that dough, okay, call up Daddy Papa. Call him up now, okay? It's the summer. I know we only use him for the wintertime when it's cold outside, but call him right now. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to XrsBeauty for sending me this hair. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.